Hi again, you ready to talk about Justin Bieber?
No.
What?
No, I'm just kidding. Ha 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 ha.
I'm leaving. You were so mean. Oh, and you should still say LOL.
No, please don't go. And I don't even care, lady. You think that it's irritating? Well then, ha 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 ha.
I'm gonna have to find another gossiper to talk to now. Someone who is not mean, maybe a guy.
Fine, be that way, I don't even care. Oh, and also ha 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 ha.
Stop! Stop, 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 stop. Stop that infernal noise. God can concentrate with that ruckus.
Oh really? Well then, ha 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 ha.